How to always have light. Lack of knowledge is a demon. If you have not accepted Jesus into your life, it is because you lack knowledge. You can't be in darkness and understand how sweet light is when you have never experienced light. And you can't be in light and fully understand how dangerous darkness is when you have not tasted darkness. But the dichotomy is, somebody who is in light may easily fall back into darkness. And somebody who is in darkness may not easily come into light. Hence, my fear for people who commit sin. And many see their sin as a very normal thing. I want to say something very deep now. Committing sin is not necessarily bad. But continuing in that sin or in sin is what is bad. And it leads to loss of the body, loss of the spirit and the soul. Why did I say so? We all have one time sinned against the Creator. But we all are not continuing in our sin. There is no man or woman that will live on this earth and not sin against the Creator. But repeating the sin is what makes it sin. If you don't have Jesus, even if you have a generator that gives light in your house, you do not have light in your life. You can have light in your house, but do you have light in your life? Ladies and gentlemen, did you learn something? If yes, kindly subscribe. If no, kindly subscribe. And share this video with your people. Till God brings me your way again. I am Professor Holy Rock. And I'm saying, remain sexually clean.